I don't know who needs to hear this, but honestly, you're not stopped. You're just waiting for comfort. You don't like the idea of starting over again. You say you're waiting on clarity, but ideally you're waiting on comfort. You want something new, but you're still holding on to what's familiar. You're still holding on to the past. Even when it's draining you, and deep down you know it. You've outgrown some habits, you've outgrown some job roles, some places, and even some people. But fear has a way of making comfort feel like safety. Starting over doesn't mean you failed. It means you're brave, you're bold enough to choose better for yourself. It means it actually means you've learned not to repeat what broke you first. See, every time you start again, you don't go back to zero. You're not starting from square one. You're going back wiser, stronger, more self-aware. You're not starting from the scratch. You're starting from the wealth of experiences you've had over the years. So stop calling it that you're stuck. Because the more you keep thinking you're stuck, you keep boxing yourself, you won't be able to express your potentials. Just call it transition. Because what feels like delay sometimes often is just divine preparation. God's not punishing you. He wouldn't. He loves you. He's positioning you for something great. Sometimes he closes one door because he knows you will never walk away from what you're holding on to. And if he doesn't, you can't reach new ground. Okay? If your feet are still tied to the old ones, then you can't move ahead. My dear, starting over isn't weakness, it's wisdom. And the truth is, the version of you that is waiting on the other side that fear has stopped you from getting to, that's the version of you you've been praying for. That's the version of you you've been working so hard for. So breathe, let go, start again. I'm not telling you this because it's easy, but because staying the same costs way too much. Staying stagnant, staying in your comfort zone costs way too much. So this is me telling you that you are not stuck, you are evolving. And every time you choose to begin again, your future self will be happy. So go back to your drawing board and kickstart that business again. The business you're scared of, go back and write that promotional exam. Go back and press more and push for more.